want to make an early plea this evening to the Jamaican football fraternity. Regardless of the result of the upcoming elections, we're talking about fans, sponsors, government, private sector, players, officials, all stakeholders. Is it possible to make a commitment to support Jamaica's football, whether Raymond Anderson unseats Mike Ricketts as president or Mr. Ricketts retains his presidency? Can we still go out and support and sponsor and cheer on the national teams? Is that possible? The players, the reggae boys and the reggae girls represent your country, not your federation or your president, but represent your country with pride, passion and distinction. Same applies to the fans and the sponsors. We don't need to be fans and sponsors of administrations or administrators. We need to be fans and supporters of Jamaica's football. This is an important year. We have Men's World Cup qualifiers. We have Nations League. We have Copa America. We need fans in the stands. Many, many fans in the stands. Can we just support Jamaica's football unconditionally? Please, can we?